She nakaw it.
I didn't.
You want horchata?
I'll give it back.
Yeah.
No, she nakaw it. Seriously.
It's,
Did they
the
order?
drink is not given.
Or not yet?
I feel like everyone is so annoying right now. Annoying.
Si Silhouette daw yung nasa likod. Ibang
This
card
is
yung nalabas.
Venus Deluxe.
Hi.
She's pa girl.
Sorry. Joint like sila.
Wait, but before that, can I shout out with my beautiful James and Michael for looking after us, our very good source for tonight's video.
Kaninong live yan?
Sa akin.
Hi guys! So, andito kami sa Malate. Bakit na tumutunog doon?
Bell na kasi. Lunch break.
Lunch break. Kamusta kayo? Please guys, follow.
Umorder ka?
Oh, there's Beyonce. Can you show them there's Beyonce? Ring the alarm. I don't do this alone because everything alarm is an even alarm. I can ring the alarm because I can. That's what's happening here right now. You guys, I'm sorry. But, oh, hang on a sec. Hang on. Yeah, there's so many AFAM. There's so many AFAM happening right now.
Can you stop
And-
it?
No, the video is facing them. So, there's your Minty. Kawatan. Kawatan in the
I
Mars.
didn't notice.
What's your purpose? Anyway, let's tell them the story.
What's this?
Milka papaya.
Anong basahin mo yung comments ba din?
I can't read because I'm blind when I'm like
Try it.
Ano ba
without
yan?
glasses.
Horchata.
Ouch, aray.
Ay, masarap
It's
yung
aray. Hang on.
Lasang LU.
Ganito sa LA, pag may sunog, gorgeous pa din.
Maganda yun. Kapag yun.
May sunog na, gorgeous pa rin. Look at her. Fuck this. Look at this cunt. Oh, fuck bitch. Yes. Swallow it. Kakakaraka. Rakatatiki ka. Kashibu. Shibu. You guys. I love you all. I love you all. Thanks for your sharing and thanks for sharing. Thanks for sharing your story and your love. Minty, someone asked you, what's your Gcash?
My Gcash is 0919-7758-2012.
There you go. A minimum of 1,000 pesos.
That's my real Gcash.
Wait, what? Talk to your...
Ano? Hi, James daw. Paano ito ibaliktad? Ayan. Ang tagal ng order. Ha, lasing na sila.
I think someone...
We are. Hindi ako mag-SF eh. Ikaw daw. Possible.
Not me this time.
Paano pag mahulog yung mga phone? Ang border nung tumakbo yung
Imagine mo, graduate mo, tapos dito ka nakacheck tapos throw ka, go ka.
One, two, three. Bakit ako may mga
talaga.
Pwede ba ka? Pwede ba ka?
Pero bakit na?
Wala eh.
Pakita mo sa link ka na.
Si Jada? Tawagin mo si Jada daw, para sa
I
live.
don't have money, sorry. Hello po.
Nag-LA yata itong mga to para uminom. Yes, of course. Why so fresh? Ang puti.
She was referring to me.
Nag-LA para uminom. Yes!
Turn the pillow in the middle.
Sabay.
Oh my God.
Nagagalit ka na naman. No, I'm not nagagalit.
Lahat.
Here.
Si Vinyas hindi masyadong uminom. Nagugutom lang.
Uminom ako.
Hindi ka uminom.
Can everyone recorded this, please?
Yeah.
Recorded.
Ladies.
Hindi na ako magkakapag nag-sampling si Mama Judy.
That's Jada!
I love your face.
The leather journal.
Sige. Ipapaghayo natin si Jada sa live.
Baka
Ha?
tanongin mo muna kung okay. Ako maloko ka. English agad.
Never do.
O, dead ma. Pakilala mo na. Tingnan mo siya nga, oh.
Masarap yung horchata. Can I try?
Cucumber lemon.
Parang it's not giving. Parang magtatain na ako sa dami ko tinanay.
Lemonade.
Eh,
Only. Mabuhay. Mabuhay mga bakla.
that's Jada.
Mabuhay. Just mga bakla.
Mga
It's okay. Mga bakla
Ang
means
ganda nito.
the gays. Mga bakla. Yeah. Oh. Jada and I.
The gravity inside the popcorn daw. Ano yan, Christian? Seriously?
Tingnan natin. I-reveal ba natin yung lab?
Can we reveal?
Wait na.
At yung lalapoksin namin. It's not giving.
It's giving. It looks giving.
Is it?
It
Can I try?
Sure.
So ito try natin itong hindi masyadong magandang...
Di ba yung ano? Yung ate? Parang
Let's
giving.
try.
It looks giving.
It's like sisig.
It's giving. A bit.
Nag. Ano ba to? Ano nangyari? It's giving.
Sabi nila pagtalikod Emin tayo.
Pwede rin natin yung sauce. Tulungan mo ako.
Yung alin?
Serving. Let me try. May I use this? Of course. Okay lang sa akin yung buko. Sarap.
Lasa siyang KFC.
Uy, ang sarap! Kasi nabungan dito kaka. Lasang ano, sinigang. Sinigang na may avocado. Sarap.
Nakakahilo ba? I'm so sorry. Inuwi yung baso.
Wala sa hotdog.
You're very rude. I was talking to Jada. I was trying to make money. So we can book business class tomorrow. I mean, on my way back. Hello everyone. Minky actually
Oh, wait. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan.
kawat this one in her. I don't know.
Sarap.
Grabe naman. Ba't ka
Ay,
nagpapayat
ano?
sa bigla? Di ka naman ganyan.
It's masarap.
Walang ganap dito eh.
This is James.
Alright, lovers. Sagit lang.
Upo tayo guys para ma-feel natin yung LA fantasy.
Upo tayo sa floor.
Eh ano naman, earn
Ba't manghang?
Kasi nagyan ko na mahal. No? Masyado mahal. Hindi niya.
It's kinda intense.
Binyag.
Masarap, girl. Parang hindi siya pang porn person.
Binyag.
Ano yung order nyo?
Power.
I'm sorry, we don't have ice in here.
You said
Bakit James Barreto?
Kasi daw kamukha daw yung kapatid ni Julia Barreto.
Yung oo, si, anong pangalan mo? Yeah.
Yeah, wanna try? Huh? Do you wanna try this?
Okay, I've been there, done that. And the history...
Asan na si Precious, Vinyas? Abe, asa si Precious?
Malapit ang gamitin dito, bawal na sunog.
Si Precious kasi natulog mo maaga kasi matanda na.
Ganun na naman sa kanina.
Ha?
Pinagod siya ni Gigi kagabi.
Saan?
Nagdadalan daw sila buong
Oo, nagganap sila ni Gigi Era kagabi. So pagod si Precious. So wala siya to ride.
Sino pa usap ni Gigi? Usapin niyo ba? Hindi pa naman tama mag-isa.
Anong ganap niya?
I'm vlogging.
You're vlogging.
Yes. This is my first time vlogging, Dar, but
Really?
I think I'm enjoying it.
You know what? Your last vlog, I'm with you.
Can I have more?
Guys, kakain muna kami.
Kung love
We'll
mo
be
ako,
right back.
send Gika.
There's some chicas in America. Look, we're gonna eat muna. And we'll be right back. Bebe. Alright. Alam mo, ang galing mo sa camera.
I know.
216 viewers. 221.
Never did. Can you try to eat
Kaya,
that?
look.
Blurred yung camera naman.
Blurred yung mata mo, it's okay naman.
I try.
Consome ba yun? Consome ba yun?
It's
Ah?
burning my dila.
Soup yan, soup.
So,
No, sausawan, pero pwede
pwede
rin soup.
rin. Wala na, dumi na.
Ano ko din sa'yo?
Oo.
Yung tawa. Yung tawa niya offensive.
Anong oras na dyan? 2 a.m.
You know, ha?
Bakit ka naman tawa? Di pa rin tapos yung ano?
Ano ba yung nag-alarm?
Fire alarm.
Baka may fire.
Kawawa naman yung mga natutulog.
Wala ka wala.
Hindi, may ano lang yan. May lasing na nandun.
Ayun.
Offending yung ha?
Offended yun. Anong lasa?
Ay!
Anong utang nito? Sabi.
Ang ganda nito. oh.
Hindi ko alam kung bagay yun.
Ang ganda ni Cristiana.
Order ka.
Ako mag-John Split sabi.
5, 6,
7, 8.
5.
6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. John Split daw. Guys, ayaw niya. Huwag niyong puntahan yung booth niya.
Nagtatawa rin ka.
O, go na, John Split. Cartwheel na lang. Sige, go.
5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0, 0, 0.
Tayo naka-work.
O, sige na, guys. Bye-bye. Tapos uwi na kami. Matutulog na. Shit, ang aga natin tomorrow. Bye! Mag-A ka muna. Ayoko. Bye-bye.
Gusto mo ba?
Masarap yan siya. Saan tayo?
Dito ako naka-park.
Sabay ako sa'yo. Ay, hindi pala ako sasabay sa'yo, no?
Magtay-tay na sa
Oh, dito ka lang naman sa kabilang banda.
So, are you okay to drive?
Oo, okay ako.
Ikaw,
Bro.
I'm okay to drive.
Drive you crazy.
See you all Saturday. Pupunta si John?
Yeah. Babe, sorry. I'm trying to host, but... Kasi... Deminti's boyfriending.
Muna dyan, bago mag-explain. Isang
No,
cartoon
no, 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 cartwheel. He's done with cartwheel. It's for the safety of the, the insurance. For the safety of insurance, Ness. But I met Jada tonight, babe. I'm going to her hotel tomorrow. Bring all these weeks. And she's gonna be like, okay, baby, I want this.
Alam mo, dapat nag-video call na lang kayo ng asawa mo. Ina-announce mo na public. Mag-cartwheel ka muna, mas matutuwa
Si Vinyas ang ano dito, babe. An influencer.
Hi, John! Pasalubong.
Nabubuti na kami. Hoy, Mindy, can you read? Oh, no. Don't be a warla.
Sabi kasi nila, di
Don't
ko
warla,
ayaw
don't
tumbahin
warla,
ko.
ha? Don't
Ayaw
warla.
tumbahin ko. Ha?
She's warla.
I'm not Warla.
She have a little bit of warla in the house.
I'm not.
Wait, is James going?
James is going.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow though.
Are you okay though? to
Yeah, I'm
try?
okay.
Guys, check out O James.
Bye-bye.
Oo.
Bye-bye.
Oo, ba't ganyan yung ngiti mo? Ihatid niya lang ako.
Alam mo, si Mrs. parang ano dito.
Ano?
Parang go-to tendon kung saan hinahatid.
Oh, hinahatid mo ba yung goto tendo?
Oh.
Min, huwag ka naman magaling.
Gago!
Grabe ka naman, Min.
Wait,
Pinainom
what's
naman
that
kita ng
mean?
horchata.
Babe, hindi ako tonight.
Ang daming na-meet ni ano ngayon ni GJR tonight.
Yeah, we have Jada. We got Alisa,
And Turing.
Eva, Turing. Oh, Turing is in the house.
Yung anak ni Vinyas. Tiny.
Tiny was here. Ano ba? Let's go. Babe, don't watch this, please. Don't watch
Binalik
this.
mo ba?
Ubusin ko na.
Tigis ka na.
See you tomorrow.
Bakit ako naging in charge?
Bye, Ben. Mwah.
Parang luto.
Anong luto? Ano?
Hindi sila.
Bye-bye.
Hindi yan, ikaw. Oh, ayan na.
I'll see you.
Mrs. Look back. Parang ano na day. Luto ang show.
Ano ba ito ang show? Paano tayo uwi?
So dito ako nakapark.
Atid mo